guys, how are you all doing? I hope you all are doing good. Yes, this is Ife Success. You're welcome to my channel. How are you all doing? I hope everyone is doing great. Yeah. Yes, in case if you hear any noise, I'm at the backyard in my garden, filming. So just to receive that fresh air, it's very distant inside. It's very hot inside, so I have to run outside to make this video for you guys. So a lot of people have been asking me what I use for my natural hair, how I keep it the way you've been seeing it. How are you? Yeah, so a lot of people have been asking me that. So today I'm going to be showing you what I use for my natural hair. Okay, the product I use, this is I've put it on before I remember that I have to make this video. Yeah, so I've already put it on. So this is what I used. It's called Dr. Organic. Okay, Dr. Organic. So have a look. So you can find this product on Holland and Barrack. This video is not sponsored at all. So this is what I use because I just want the best for this, my natural hair, So I just want the best for it. So that's what I use. It's expensive, but I like it. Okay, I like the result on my hair. Okay, it's very nice. So that's what I use. So it's deep conditioning. So I've already finished it. It's already finished. So what I do, as I've already putting it on, I'll just use my hand to put it all together like that. Just put it all together and comb it out. Yeah, can you see? It makes my hair very soft. Very soft. It makes it very soft. Can you see that? Can you see that? Can you see that? Oh my god, this is so awesome. This is wonderful. Can you see that? Can you see that, guys? Can you see? Can you see that? Oh my god, this is awesome. So that's it. So after combing it, what I do next is to go ahead and use this to cover my hair and leave it for some time. Leave it for like it says here you can leave it for a couple of minutes, but I just want the best result. I'm leaving it for 1 hour. This is deep conditioning for treatment, so I'm just gonna use that to cover it. So that's what I do. So that's what I'm gonna have on, just to kind of as if I'm steaming my hair. I'm just gonna leave it on like this for 1 hour, okay, before I wash it out. So that's it. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope this will help you. So if you want something that will soften your hair at the same time, rescue your hair and restore, that's it for you. Okay, if you have natural hair, so this product is good. You can find it in Holland and Barrack. All right, so it's a very nice product. Like I said, this video is not sponsored at all, so I just want to show you what I use to do my what I use to condition my hair. It says here, intensive conditioning hair mask for healthy hair and scalp. Okay, so that's it. That's the product. Yeah, thank you so much for watching. Remember to share, like, and subscribe if you have not yet. Thank you. So this is your girl, Ife Success. Bye. I hope this video helped you. Let me see that on your comments, on the comment section. Thank you guys. I love you.